हेलो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि अपना इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे दिया जाता है। जब कोई नई क्लास शुरू होती है या आप किसी नई जगह पे गए जहाँ पे कुछ नए लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, तो आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन किसी को कैसे देंगे वो सीखते हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Nazim, and I'm 20 years old. I am from Lahore. Let me tell you about my schooling. I studied at Sayyid Public Boys High School. I completed my intermediate from FC College Lahore, and now I am here to complete my graduation from this university. I am very excited and happy to be here. My parents are the pillars of my strength. My favorite subject is mathematics. My hobbies are drawing, gardening, and reading books. My goal is to become a teacher and serve my nation. Confidence and good communication skills are my strength. That's all about me. Thank you very much.